Hello guys! In today's video, I'll present all the information we know for sure will happen in Season 3. This is not a theory video. This is a breakdown of all the official info released by Netflix. Everything I'm about to say has been confirmed to happen. We'll talk about the games, which players will survive, and what will unfold later in the series. So yes, spoiler warning. If you want to go into the season finale completely blind for the full experience, feel free to skip this video. If not, let's get started. First things first, Season 3 will only have 6 episodes, the fewest in the series so far. In the first episode, we see Gi-hun being brought back to the dorm in a coffin. He's completely devastated. After provoking the guards, Gi-hun is handcuffed. Seon-nyeo approaches him and says something that triggers Gi-hun, causing him to attack her. But this won't be the only time we see Gi-hun handcuffed. There's at least one more scene, the one shown in the teaser photo, where he's restrained again, this time during Geum-ja's powerful speech. The fourth game is the maze game. Players are divided into 2 teams, red and blue, based on a gumball machine. Gi-hun is the last one to spin the gumball. We already have confirmation of the team distribution, in no particular order. Red team, Gi-hun, Min-soo, Nam-gyu, player 226, 202, and 203. Blue team, Hyun-ju, Seon-nyeo, Dae-ho, player 100, 009, 306, 232, 235, 197, 344, 172, 084, and 440. Interestingly, before the game starts, Geum-ja and Jun-ho are shown as red team members, while Young-sik and Myung-gi appear in blue. But when the game unfolds, their vests have switched. Geum-ja and Jun-ho are now wearing blue, and Young-sik and Myung-gi are in red. The blue team starts from a different position than the red team. The game is played in a multi-level labyrinth with multiple doors. Blue players are given a key before the game starts. The maze contains themed rooms, and some doors are actually traps that lead nowhere, just looping players back into the maze. Hyun-ju ends up in several intense fights. In one scene, she defends Young-ho, who's on her knees, alongside Geum-ja. This entire game has a strict time limit. Moving on to the 5th game, we have a confirmed list of survivors. Nam-gyu, Gi-hun, Min-soo, Jun-ho, Myung-gi, Geum-ja, player 100, 353, 336, 039, 192, 96, and 442. We also have confirmation of the voting results, and the interesting twist is that Min-soo changes his vote to O. This game involves players crossing a bridge while avoiding a moving rope. The specific game mechanics and the order of players are still unknown. Initially, players begin on Young-ho's side, but later in the trailer, we see them facing back toward that same side, suggesting some kind of turnaround. This game also runs on a time limit, and the only confirmed survivor is Gi-hun. However, it's expected to eliminate a large number of players, leaving only a few remaining. As for the 6th and final game, it will not be Squid Game. Hwang has stated that he created a brand new game with completely new rules. This will be the first time we see it on screen. That covers all the confirmed game details. Now let's talk about what's happening in the rest of the Squid Game universe. In-ho resumes his role as the front man, and we see the VIPs arriving on the island. There are 2 confirmed scenes of them watching the games, one in a jungle-themed room, and another in a black-themed room, where they're all standing to get a better view. Just like in Season 1, the finalists are given a fancy dinner, and Gi-hun is invited to a private conversation with the front man. We'll also see a flashback of In-ho's backstory. This flashback takes place either before or after his final game, and includes a meeting with Il-nam. Player 246 is confirmed to still be alive at the start of Season 3. Meanwhile, No-earl betrays the organization and switches sides. She's seen multiple times. Once with a lighter in the archive room, once escaping through the ventilation system, and once in the front man's chamber. In another trailer shot, we see the black square mask fighting a triangle guard. We also have confirmation that Jun-ho finally finds the island. Netflix has shown 2 scenes of him inside the base, one in the VIP jungle-themed room, and another in the VIP black-themed room. In the latest trailer, we also see guards on a boat chasing and firing at another speedboat. Hwang confirmed that the season finale will be half sad, half happy, but it will be a true finale. That's all the official information confirmed by Netflix. I haven't included any theories or speculation. Everything you've heard here is guaranteed to happen in season 3. Let me know if I missed any details. Cheers.